Thanks for joining us. My name is Thad Skinner with EZG Manufacturing, and today we're going to discuss the fence hog. Shown here we have a 24-inch fence hog, which dispenses 50-foot rolls of chain link and under, as well as field fence. We also have a 36-inch fence hog, which does 100-foot rolls of chain link and under, as well as field fence. To get started, you want to hook up your skid steer to the universal attachment plate, which comes on all newer skid steers. You also have hydraulic quick disconnects, and we supply flat face couplers with this for you to connect as well. The hydraulics control the opening and closing of the cage here. So once you're connected to the unit, what you'll want to do is drive over to the fence, roll of fence that you have, take your mast of your skid steer, go over top of the roll, open the cage, close the cage, and then stand the roll up. Once the machine's in the upright position with the roll in it, you want to free spin your fence out by hand to either splice to your existing roll or to start a new run. The reason you want to do this, unlock this pin back here, is this turntable will free spin to allow you to manually pull your fence out to splice or tie on. Once you have your fence in position there, you'll want to lock it. What this does is it catches here and it allows you to keep tension on your fence while you're dispensing. This bar here is a drive forward arm, and what it's designed for is it is to allow you to be out of the way of the track or the tire of your skid steer so the fence doesn't get in the way. And this can be moved from one side to the opposite side. To do this, you will need to remove the top piece there. There's 2 bolts that you remove and bolt on this side to allow you to dispense from either side. Once you have dispensed your fence, you will need to stretch. This unit here is set up for a stretcher bar for chain link fence. So to do this, we have a spring-loaded lever in the back. So you just lean up out of the skid steer, hit this lever. This bar comes forward, has bars about every 3rd diamond that allows you to stretch while driving the skid steer forward. To reset the stretcher bar, what you need to do is just manually push it back into place, and you're ready to keep dispensing fence. The last thing I want to show you here is we do supply 5 of these hangers with each unit. So these hangers are designed to go on the top rail with chain link, so when you're stretching your fence, it doesn't distort it. It allows it to slide on the fence and stay in one position. For any additional information, contact us at EZGMFG.com or call us at 800-417-9272.